Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Pokemon video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Snorlax doing his Body Slam attack. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Snorlax Body Slam Attack, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to begin right here, and let's make a line that's going to curve out and then in. Then let's make a little triangle shape for the ear. We'll draw a little curve for the top of the head. Then we'll make another triangle shape right here. Then I'm going to curve this line in. Next, I'm going to curve this line up, and I'm going to curve this line up. Then I'm going to come down at an angle and down at an angle. Next, we're going to make a line that curves down for an eye, and then another one that's going to curve down for the eyes. Then we're going to make a line across for the mouth. And then a line that goes down and up for a smile. We'll make two little triangle shapes for the teeth. And then we'll make a line that curves across for the tongue. Right here, we're going to draw a little line to start the body. And then I'm going to bring a line that's going to curve out to here. We'll leave a little space, and then we're going to curve this back for the arm. We'll make a little triangle shape for one of the claws. Then we're going to make three little points here for the other claws. Now over here, we're going to draw another curved line. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up here. I'm going to make a little triangle shape. Then I'm going to curve this line down and in. Next, I'm going to make four little points on here. Next, I'm going to make a great big circle shape right here for the body. And then I'm going to bring these lines in just a little bit more. Next, I'm going to make a nice big circle shape for the body on here. Then I'm going to make a big smiley face right there. And then I'm going to make an even bigger one over here. Next, I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 points for some claws. And 1, 2, and then 3 points. Next, I'm going to make some lines that curve up here. And I'm going to make some kind of bumpy lines like this. I'm going to do the same thing here. Some lines that curve, and then some kind of bumpy lines. I'll do the same thing here. Kind of curve these up, some bumpy lines, and connect. Just so it kind of looks like the air is like getting out of his way. He's moving so fast. And I'm also going to make a couple little kind of like curved lines right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Snorlax about to do his Body Slam. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.